Hi, Luke Raymond from Inaxsys Security Systems here. We're actually shooting this video from the Canada Central. So that's Security Canada Central is the largest security conference in Canada. It takes place right here in Toronto. And today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about one specific feature of Arkiv that customers have been asking about. The ability to create a video wall. Arkiv is an agnostic platform in that we have over 10,000 natively integrated security IP cameras, NVRs, or DVRs from 10,000 different manufacturers almost. The reality is, it doesn't matter what type of camera, NVR, or DVR you have, we can learn it into Arkiv and bring it into the Arkiv architecture. It's perfect for, multi-site jobs where you might have a chain of stores with disparate DVRs or NVRs in every single one, and you want to tie them together while simultaneously adding the ability to have neural net analytics to that system. The feature I'd like to show you today is the video wall feature. The way it functions is pretty simple. You can pick and choose whatever cameras you want, whether locally or off-site. You can have cameras populate a screen from 100 different sites or 25 different sites or whatever you want. So this camera could be coming in from Montreal, while this one's coming in from Vancouver, while this one's coming in from Bulgaria. At the same time, I can have a whole bunch of local cameras all populating the screen. It's up to you to choose what your individual views are and what it's showing. All the way up to being able to say, okay, well, not only do I have multiple cameras in this view, but here I can have an events notification, where as events are occurring, they're going to pop up in this, and I'm able to zoom in and take a look in real time at what events are occurring when they occur. On the side here, I actually have the CPU usage. So in real time, I can verify how much of the CPU am I using, how much of the video card am I using, because I can offload the high-level analytics to the video card. And it doesn't just stop there. Because Arkiv is an IP-based platform, if I'm doing an integrated system with WX as an example, well, I can actually populate one of these windows with a WX screen and do the WX ICT controls and programming directly from one of these screens from Arkiv as well. It's a really unique feature which gives us a lot of power. So what I'm going to show you here is actually a multi-view video wall system on a 50-inch monitor. So right now I'm seeing videos from other locations outside, whether it's in this city or in another city, and while simultaneously seeing local views. Now, one of the coolest features about this is that if you have higher level cameras or higher resolution cameras like a 360, well, you can actually populate multiple views with the same camera while not taking up extra bandwidth. So here's an example. This camera itself is actually a 360 camera. So it's a 360 camera populating this little window right here, but this is also the 360 camera. So this 360 camera is the same camera, just zoomed into a specific view, allowing me to potentially create a multi-view with a single camera. Pretty slick, while also being able to pull off cameras from other locations. But it doesn't end there. If I wanted to create a video wall and have multiple different views directly on the same Arkiv, or have multiple images or multiple monitors connected to the same Arkiv server, as long as I have those monitors connected, I can take different views, like our live camera view, which I clicked right up here to do, having a second monitor, or even simply another click and you go back to this view, and a third monitor if I wanted with this view. You can have as many monitors as you can populate as the server can handle. I can populate different views at all times. This allows us a lot of flexibility when creating video walls and allows Arkiv to really be the one-stop source if you're wanting to do monitoring centers or security desks. Whether you have one site you're monitoring or multiple sites, we can run it all directly from Arkiv. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments section below. We're happy to reach out to you. For more information, you can also go to www.inaxsys.com. Cheers.